This video is brought to you by Samsung Canada. This is the Galaxy Book6 Pro, and today we're going through the design, the display, and what this processor actually means in day-to-day use. Plus, we'll touch on the Galaxy AI features that'll actually improve your experience. Enjoy the episode. Unboxing the Galaxy Book6 Pro, I noticed the slim and the light build. The Book6 Pro at 14 inches only weighs 1.2 kilograms and it is only 11.6 millimeters thick. And it might look like a sleek everyday laptop, but underneath the hood it's a powerhouse. We'll get into the specs in a minute, but this laptop makes a statement with the looks. It looks really clean, and this year we got some changes on the design as well. To start off, the logo is now centered on the lid. It's a small detail, but it matters. It makes the whole thing feel more balanced. The keyboard and the touchpad are also matched as well, so everything lines up nicely. The slim profile is genuinely impressive. It's light, but it feels solid. And this is a laptop that is perfect for taking into cafes or travel with, and the build quality is there to support you through all of that. The keyboard itself feels locked in. It has a firm feel, which I kinda like, and the backlight on the keyboard, you'll be comfortable in darker environments. And the first impressions on the hinge, it feels firm and durable. And heading over to the sides of this laptop, we got two Thunderbolt 4s, HDMI 2.1, USB Type-A, along with a headphone/microphone port. Let's talk about the display. It is a dynamic AMOLED 2 panel, and it does what Samsung displays always do. It makes you stop and look, and the anti-reflective coating is pretty good, especially if you are working in brighter environments. And in terms of display specs, we got a 3K panel, 120Hz refresh rate, along with 1000 nits peak brightness in HDR and 500 in SDR. And I find the colors pretty accurate. I've been testing some photo edits on this machine, and the display is also a touch display as well. It is faster to use the touch display when doing certain tasks like dragging stuff around, and overall Samsung is just really good with displays across their phones, tablets, monitors, and the Galaxy Book6 series keeps that standard. And now the performance. We got Intel Core Series 3 processor inside, along with Intel Arc graphics and an NPU that can hit up to 50 TOPS for on-device AI processing. In real terms, it's fast. If you're doing a lot of multitasking, this computer will handle it with no problems. And you can even do some content work, especially with the GPU bump over the previous generation. It is 1.7 times faster on GPU and 1.6 times faster on CPU. And I've also tested some light gaming on this machine, and because we got the Intel Core Ultra 3 series that offers a lot when it comes to graphics, you can also indulge in a bit of gaming in between work. And the NPU is important because of all that AI processing that happens on device. That means it's quicker, your data stays local, and it's not constantly pulling from battery to do it. And with that, let's jump over to Galaxy AI. Let me show you some of the features that I actually think are useful day to day. AI Select icon is sort of your quick access to onboard AI features on this device. Once you click this icon, you can select any object on the screen, cut the background in a couple of steps, and paste it into wherever you want. For quick content work, this saves a lot of time. I would use this for when I plan for design concepts or when planning a mood board. Or alternatively, you can use AI Select to translate as well. So if you see a text on the screen that you'd like to translate, highlight any text on the screen, any language, and it converts it to your system language right there. No need to switch apps or no need to copy into browser and translate from there. And something else that's pretty neat is if you see an email address that you'd like to email to, all you have to do is circle around it and you can start composing that email pretty quick without having to go into your email, hit compose, copy paste. Yeah, no need to do all of that. And there's also natural language search as well. You can describe a file or an image and it'll pull it up while you're working on something else. And sometimes you work on stuff while being connected to other Galaxy devices. And if this device is the S26 Ultra, you're in for a treat. Samsung ecosystem offers a lot, and it's truly beyond receiving a text message on all of your devices at the same time. There's a lot that Samsung offers. For example, there is multi-control. You can use your Galaxy Books keyboard and mouse to control your Galaxy phone. The cursor literally moves off the laptop screen onto your phone. You can type, copy, and paste files between them. And then of course there's quick share and nearby devices, and it is a seamless experience. You see the device, you share it, it's done. And this is a part of the Galaxy experience that's hard to communicate in a spec sheet. You have to live with it for a few days, then you start realizing how these things become part of your workflow. And battery life is one of those things where spec sheet numbers and real life experiences don't always match up because we all have different user habits. On the 14-inch model of the Galaxy Book6 Pro, we have 65 watt-hours battery capacity, and on paper it's got up to 30 hours of video playback. In actual use, working throughout the day, writing, browsing, doing a bit of photo editing, and even doing some light gaming, I didn't really have to charge this device at all for a couple days. When you do need to charge up, it's got fast charging which tops you up real quick. I like a laptop that doesn't make charging feel like a whole commitment. And that alone makes this laptop a pretty good choice for those who are often on the go. Now, the build quality on the Galaxy Book6 Pro is solid, but sometimes accidents can happen. And that's why you might want to think of Samsung Care Plus. It covers you for physical malfunction and liquid resistance failure amongst other benefits. And the best part is that they cover you at home and abroad, unlike other national providers, which is a huge relief whether you're at home or traveling abroad. It's also important to think about how your products are getting serviced. With Samsung Care Plus, you are getting Samsung genuine parts and certified technicians. So when your products are serviced, they perform like how they are supposed to. So the Samsung Care Plus is definitely worth looking into. So that is the Galaxy Book6 Pro. A slim design that feels premium, a display that's genuinely great to look at and work on, performance that keeps up with real workloads, and Galaxy AI that is actually very useful. If you are already a Samsung person, phone, tablet, this laptop slots into that in a way that it just makes everything smoother. And if you're coming in fresh, this is a solid entry point into what the ecosystem actually feels like. If you want to learn more about the Galaxy Book6 series, do visit the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it has been a pleasure. I'll see you in the next one.